Hi everyone, welcome to TadiBrothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we are going to go over the different settings for the mobile DVR that comes with the version 3 of the digital wireless systems. You know it's the version 3 because it's got the blue square on the monitor, blue square on the RV camera, and a blue plunger on the license camera and side camera. So here we go. First thing you're going to want to see is the monitor itself. That already indicates what the DVR, what mode the DVR is in. So if you see this icon right here, this tells you that you already have an SD card installed in your screen. There's a little plate on the back that you need to remove, which I already did. And you could see here, there is the SD card that I put inside of it, right? You can pop it out or put it in. It's up to you. And then we're just going to close it up with that plate and you screw it in for security. Okay? If you see that here, you know that you have a memory stick inside. The icon next to it is whether or not you're in loop mode or not. The loop mode means that when you are driving, if the memory stick gets full, it automatically goes to the oldest recording and starts from there. Just so you know how that works. Okay, that's the first part of that. Now let's go into the menu, and then we're also going to look to see how we can do some playback. So you can click on menu, and we're going to go to the record icon, this icon right here, because that's the settings for the mobile DVR, and we're going to push OK. Let's go over these settings here. The on-off for this rewrite button, that is for the loop. You could have it loop, or you could have it stop recording when your memory stick is full. Next up is the format. That's also an important one because when you get a new memory stick, a lot of times you're going to need to format that memory stick so that it'll fit the system right here. Let's format it here so we can see how that works. We're going to push OK. We're going to go down to the format, and I'm going to push OK. And you're going to see, we're going to turn it to on, and we're going to do OK like that, and you're going to see formatting. That means that the memory card is now empty, and it cleaned it out, and it reset the file system to work with this DVR, okay? Next thing you have here is the recording time. That is the intervals that it will record every single channel, right? So you have 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. You choose whatever one you want, and you push OK to lock in that setting, okay? Now, back to the recording menu, all right? Back to here. To turn on recording from the screen, you simply push the DVR button, and you're going to see a red light. What's cool about this is that it records all the cameras, right? So if you're on split screen modes, it won't just record it in split screen mode. What it's going to do is it's going to record each channel individually. So if something happens, you could always pull that data out of that specific camera, and they'll obviously be time synced around, right? But that's what that does. That's a pretty cool feature. So you're going to have a bunch of files there. After you record it, and if something happens, look, we got some motion here, right? And something happens, what you're going to want to do is pull out that data. So the first thing you can do is you could just pull out the memory stick, pop it into a computer, but you can also view it in real time on your monitor. So to do that, what we're going to do is, well, let's turn off the DVR first. We're going to go into menu. You have to go to a channel before you enter menu. So we're going to channel 1. We're going to go to menu, and then we're going to go to the play. See right here, we're going to push OK. And then it's going to pull up the memory card. It's going to say 100 media, and you're going to push OK, like that. And here we're going to choose the videos, right? Like this, and we're going to choose, let's just randomly choose this one here on the bottom. We're going to push OK, and it's going to start playing the video. It's playing a camera. It's not showing you all of them at once because you never know which channel you're going to need, right? So it's recording that. Let's just go back. Let's choose a different video. All right, I'll pick this one, push OK, and now it's recording. In the screen itself, here we're probably using the RV camera now. It's showing me the name of the file, the date and time of the event, and how much time is left on the recording itself. So it's 1 minute, and the whole recording is 33 seconds. But that's basically it. To get out of it, you just push menu a couple of times. You go back to here. Like that, we're going to get out of this thing, we're going to go back to the screen, and there you have it. Those are all the features for the DVR. It's just important to remember that you want to format it when you first put in a DVR, a new memory stick in the system. You want to unscrew the hatch from here, put in the memory stick, and then format it. That is the best way for the memory stick to work. The memory stick to work as smooth as possible. Like always, if you have any other questions, feel free to call our American-based tech team anytime at 866-966-5550. Again, that's 866-966-5550. If you want to talk to me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around, and I'll gladly answer any questions you might have. From all of us here at TadiBrothers, thanks for watching, and have a great day.